Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth to your Lincoln MKS. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked to avoid distractions. Next, turn on your mobile phone's Bluetooth and make it discoverable in its settings. Then, locate the sync system controls in your MKS and press the phone button. This action will initiate the pairing process within your car's infotainment system. Follow the on-screen prompts to begin adding a new device. Once you've pressed the phone button, the sync system will ask if you want to add a new device. Select Add a Device from the menu. Your car will then search for discoverable Bluetooth devices. When your phone appears on the sync screen, select it. A 6-digit PIN will display on both your phone and the car's screen. Confirm these numbers match. After successful pairing, Sync may ask to download your contacts for hands-free calling. If you encounter issues, try restarting both your phone and the sync system. Sometimes a simple reboot resolves connectivity problems. You can also delete any old, unused Bluetooth profiles from your car's memory to free up space and prevent conflicts. Additionally, ensure your phone's operating system is updated to its latest version, as outdated software can sometimes cause pairing difficulties. These steps often help establish a stable Bluetooth connection. Now that your phone is connected, you can enjoy hands-free calling and stream your favorite audio directly through your Lincoln MKS speakers. Your phone should automatically reconnect to the sync system each time you start the car. This seamless integration enhances your driving experience, keeping you connected and entertained safely. For more great tips and resources, including a fantastic book about managing your finances, check the description below for links and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.